Are you into POV vlogging? Then this is exactly what you need. What's up guys, welcome to Reviews by Ronan. Today, we're unboxing something that's a game changer for content creators. This is the high quality magnetic ring phone holder designed specifically for POV vlogging. It's got a full circle design with strong magnets for ultra secure attachments. Literally, what you see is what you get. Inside the box, you get everything you need to start vlogging right away. A safety lanyard, a cleaning kit, magnetic sheets, a magnetic neck holder, and of course, a user manual. If you want hands-free, hassle-free POV shots, this might just be your new favorite gear. So what are you waiting for? Get yours now and start creating POV contents.